Hello again. I don't know if you've been paying any attention to the newspapers and all the rest of it, but sort of part of my job is to. And there's been some rather worrying results brought out by the World Health Organization, that's the W.H.O. And for the last few years they've been monitoring air pollution around the world. 16 international scientists at 8 different international institutions with 3,000 different measuring points, and they've all been measuring air pollution. And I'm afraid the results are rather alarming. Turns out now, the figures were for 2012, they're the latest figures that are available. And it turns out that 140,000 people died because of air pollution in Russia, 600,000 people died in India, but unfortunately over 1 million people died that year in China because of air pollution. Now these are just astronomical figures, and China, to their due, they are concerned about this. Now I've just come back from the 8th International Shenzhen Innovation and Entrepreneurship Finals competition, well, competition for finals. And I'm very pleased to say we did rather well and we were highly commended, etc. But more importantly, several very large international companies have now approached us and are very interested in our green, clean, renewable storage systems and our hydrogen system. And the reason they're interested is because a lot of the air pollution obviously comes from vehicles and factories, and from coal burning production for making electricity. So if they can make their own electricity for each factory from solar panels on the roof and store that power so they don't have to send it to the grid, then it makes a lot less pollution, because you don't have to make the power in a dirty coal-fired electricity generating station. You make it in a clean, green way with solar panels on the roof of the factory. The next one, of course, is if they can convert their vehicles to run on hydrogen, because you could then use some of the power that's being made from the solar panels on the roof. You could turn that into hydrogen and use your forklift trucks or your delivery vans or whatever. You could run them all on hydrogen. So that, again, starts making it clean and green. So, watch this space. Good job I like rice, isn't it? I may be going to China a bit more often, because it's looking very, very good over there. In the meantime, if you are interested in renewable energy or energy storage or grid connection or even hydrogen, give us a call at Clean Power Solutions, or CPSL-Group as we now are, and we'd be more than happy to have a chat with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this, press the share button and show it to your friends. Bye bye.